Okay, so as you know, I have created this project on xBesh, a course building platform named koalahub.io, and I purchased a new domain on Namecheap. Okay, and on Namecheap, I bought this domain here, koalahub.io, and I connected this with my Cloudflare account. Okay, by just adding the new domain. When you just go to the Cloudflare account here, you click on add a domain, and from here you enter the domain name, the like koalahub.io, and it gives you the name servers to update, which I have updated from. It was earlier, it was basic DNS, but I updated to the custom DNS, and this is the Cloudflare given DNS name servers. Okay, I added and I clicked on save button. After few minutes, it actually gave me the like option. I mean, it confirmed that my domain has been connected already. So now you see the Koala Hub is connected with Cloudflare. Now I can manage my DNS records from here. Okay, right now I have no records in the DNS, and I'm going to go back to my Vercel account, which is here. Going to use my domains. I'm going to add a domain name koalahub.io for the production and click on save. It will add two domains. One is koalahub.io, other one is www.koalahub.io. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to record these two values. One is a record with the at the rate with this IP. So let me go back, and I'm going to record one a record from for at the rate this IP, and I'm going to remove the proxy, and TTL should be 1 minute, and save. And the next record which I'm going to add is going to be for www. This is a C name, not a record. Okay. In my last YouTube video, I have explained what are the DNS values, what are the meaning of it. So you can watch that video. Sorry, it is going to be www, and the value is going to be this, and save. Okay, so this part is done. Now what I will do, I come back to my Vercel account. I will refresh it. It is already done. It is generating the SSL certificate now for us, and I will refresh. This is also done. Okay. So now our domain are connected with koalahub.io, and if I go back my koalahub.io domain, let's see what happens. Right now it's not working. I will come back to my DNS. Oh, it's still generating the SSL certificate for us. Just wait for a few minutes. Still generating. Still generating for both of the domains. We'll just wait for a few minutes. Okay, now it's done, and I'm sure it should work now. Come to the koalahub.io. See, the koalahub.io is working perfectly fine now. So that's how you connect your custom domain. Okay, I'm sure www.koalahub.io should also work. Yes, it is working also, and koalahub.io is also working. Okay, so that's how you connect your custom domain with your own project on Vercel. Thank you so much.